Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Lavalier. It's a little bit earlier than normal today. My school has been closed halfway through the day due to a typhoon that is on its way. Matter of fact, let's see if I can pop it up on the map here to show you guys exactly where the hurricane is. And there you can see it's a coming. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys a new app that I did download today. I actually purchased this app. It is not free. The Moment Pro camera. If you guys are not familiar with the Moment, they do make, let's see if we can switch this to me. Let's see here. Oh, what up guys? They make lens attachments for your phones. They actually make a really cool anamorphic lens, but it's for the Samsung 9 or 8 or above, and it doesn't fit for my phone. So, but they came up with this new app. It shoots in RAW, and it works when I'm using my screen capture program. So this is something I'm going to be doing. I might be taking a couple of pics and showing you guys. You guys will be able to see my settings that I'm using when I'm taking photos, especially like right now it's kind of evening and stuff. You'll be able to see here I got all the ISO here. It's all adjustable. I can adjust my timing, my speed, all that. So stay tuned, more to come. This is going to be cool. My train's here. I might shoot some pics on the way back on the next one, but anyways, I just want to give a shout out. Stay tuned. Going to be taking some pictures with this and the screen capture. Very cool. Patrick Lavalier. Peace. Yeah.
扉が閉まります。ご注意ください。